Right.
I guess we're not gonna buy any more of these anymore.
I was requested to come back here and help y'all today.
No. But Tevin's been working today. Like,
Oh yeah.
Everybody thinks that sound is fake on this car.
I know.
They were like, "Why'd you
It's
add
not
that?"
fake.
I was like, "No, that's just how it sounds."
Real. It does sound unrealistic. I mean, it does.
That's this turbo, man. That's why people love this turbo too. It's got this extra, like, anti-surge cut right around the lip right here.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what makes it so loud.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah. Other people will take their Garretts and get this done so that it sounds like this. I mean, because they'll have the, you know, the holes drilled in this compressor housing on that inside lip.
I've seen that. Is that what that's for too? The
That's
little holes.
anti-surge.
Oh, okay.
And that's what this is as well.
that means that really you don't technically have to have a blow-off valve with this turbo?
Technically. It's still a good idea. You still want it. But this is like added protection.
I don't know.
Tevin, sell this thing.
I'm trying, man. Trying to find a buyer for
What's
this,
up?
but it's bright red.
Freaking beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's got work wheels. It's got Brembo brakes. It's got Gretty Aero.
Hurting it is that interior.
The red interior.
Yeah.
Sorry,
It is a twin
we're not
turbo,
gonna change
how
out the
many
red interior. It's the way it is.
That is the way it is, but you know, if you buy it, you can customize it, you know?
That's right.
Just buy it and we'll change it.
It's really not that horrible.
It's not permanent. They're thinking it's permanent. No, it can be fixed.
It can be.
It's got Brembos on.
Right, exactly. Look at those.
The Gretty Aero is not cheap. I
Right.
guess we're not gonna buy any more of these anymore.
Just because you people won't buy them,
Yeah.
we're not buying them.
You don't buy them, we
Done.
don't buy them. That's the way it is. Supply and demand. No demand, ain't gonna be no supply. This, like I said, we've got a couple people that are really interested. It just depends on them, really, as far as financing or cash or what have you.
Mm-hmm.
See, this one's nice too because it's got upgraded AC unit, everything.
Yeah, the AC is ice cold.
Yeah.
Like, it's so nice.
Is it R33?
Everything.
It's a smaller compressor, so probably.
Well, look, you see the canister? It's completely different.
Oh,
Yeah, it is all upgraded.
It's like that 33.
Freaking Ed hair.
It's my bad.
When are you gonna get your outfit for your sales pitch?
We're waiting on
on
that.
sale this week.
Oh man, yeah, you should, and we should do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. He says he's gonna go get
And then I'll shave and just have a mustache.
Oh, please don't do that. Oh, God.
Trim off the sides and it'll look like you have a goatee again. That way you don't have to have a perf stash for days.
You said a perv mustache?
Perv stash.
A perv stash?
I'll have some like
Some lamb chops.
Is that what they are? Lamb chops?
Nothing in here.
No, we don't have any antiques in here.
Oh, whoa.
Josh cleaned it up.
Oh,
Look at it.
damn. If you can only keep your workstation over there just like that, man.
His workstation is like this. Right
Is it?
now.
Right now? Oh, man.
Josh, you're just totally on this.
I guess until we get those struts, and then I gotta weld those together for the.
But that's like it.
We're still waiting on that plug for here. And I think I gotta get one more cap for here, but Jason's got that. I gotta get.
I just want to make sure if there is an issue, if there is any problem, we've got time to fix it.
Yeah, I agree.
So we got like 2 weeks on this thing. That's it. 2 weeks.
Crazy. Even the AC lines are polished. Like, that's, you know what I mean?
know,
Like,
I know. Well, that's Josh.
I know, it's nuts.
But it looks awesome.
Yeah, it does.
The power steering lines are polished too. The ends on those are polished.
Better than factory.
Better than
It
factory?
is.
Yeah.
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 This is a resto mod, basically.
That's
is
what they call
this is.
Yeah.
You know, because we're restoring it and modifying it at the same time. Resto mod.
Ooh, I like that. Boom.
I didn't coin that. That's been out for a long time. Tim.
Okay.
Some guys want numbers matching, engine, everything to be 100% factory, down to the bolts, down to the marks on the bolts that came out of the factory, the way the undercoating was sprayed, where the restomod guy is like, I just want the shit looking good, I want power, I want modern suspension, I want, you know, all those things, and that's where
that makes sense.
restomod comes in. It's restored but modified.
Gotcha. So Josh, what's the progress on this so far? What we got going on?
Well, she's about 6 months due.
6 months, dude.
No, we're fixing up the fuel lines right now. I still got to run the power and ground to everything, but I got to install a relay onto the factory stuff, so it'll kick on basically when the factory fuel pump kicks on, just with more power through a relay, so you get 12 volts instead of you know, stepped power.
Okay.
But I got most of these lines made up on top. Now I got to go underneath and finish the one that goes up front, and then the two that actually go to the fuel pump down in the tank. I'm going to basically redo these straps and clean up the tank and clean it out. That way we're not getting any weird debris inside the new fuel system. So this is a PTFE line. You see the little plastic liner in there, and that is so the E85 doesn't eat it away. And this is a regular AN fitting hose. As you can see, it's just rubber in there, and then the E85, when it runs through this, will get ate up, and you'll get little rubber debris in your injectors. It'll clog your fuel filter, everything. AN fitting, as you notice how it attaches, it's just a little small shaft in there. PTFE fitting, as you notice, comes with a little shank like that. Make sure you put that over top first, because once you expand this, you'll never get it over there.
Oh, wow.
This will crush this little piece like a union.
Right.
And it'll push that hose down onto here and crimp it.
So, I was requested to come back here and help y'all today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chris wanted me to come back here today and help out with the guys on the white R32 to help get that moving along smoothly. So, I'm back here today, Dan.
You actually doing work?
Yeah, I'm actually doing work. I'm not in the office. What we gotta do? Tell me what I gotta do.
Anything on that list you feel you can do?
Here's that list again. Huh. Let's see.
Let me help you with this.
Mm-hmm.
No. Man, I don't know what you're going to do.
I don't know.
Look good.
I'm just gonna stand here, man.
Dan's working on the control arms.
Well, once you get the control arms in, like, we can put
the drive
those in.
shaft in if you want to start on that.
Okay.
Let me see.
I can do that.
I can help you with that too.
And I think these bolts are in the drive shaft already up top.
Where's it at?
Up top.
Okay.
Let me get that in. And then if you want to go ahead and change the rear diff fluid. Right now, like I said, I got like one more line I got to run up for the fuel.
Yeah.
And then I can drop the car and work on the top side.
All right.
And I can make the AN lines for the catch can stuff too. We got to install the brake master. You could probably do that. Install the clutch line. You can do that now. It's up in the air. And we got to do the clutch master. That clutch line, there's a brand new one sitting on the table on the back side.
Wait, hold on. One thing at a time, man. We'll do the drive shaft.
All right, go grab that drive shaft.
Drive shaft. Boom.
Oh, shoot. Hold up.
Oh, I got her. I got her. All right, drive shaft is in. Boom, baby. Oh, shoot. Dunzo. All right, so trans and diff fluid are changed. Done. Fill diff fluid. Done. Ed, what are you working on over here?
Rebuilding this axle.
Rebuilding. Okay.
Well,
Change the boots.
just changing the boots, yeah. This one you can see is a little dry rotted.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it didn't rip apart, which I was kind of expecting it to do, but
Might as well do it.
Yeah, it needs to be done. And this other side I wasn't going to change, but we had a new one, so I was like, well, we might as well.
Yeah.
And then, glad we did because there wasn't any freaking grease in it.
Dry as a bone.
Let's spin it.
We're coming on along. Let me see what's next on the list. All right, so I'm gonna work on getting the seats together. I think it was, yeah, it was these. Ooh. So I'm gonna get these together, and I'm gonna attach them to the grid rails that we have over here.
Woo. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Woo. Let's slide that finger on down.
Well, you can hit that one, and you can hit that one. It's okay.
No, that one really hurt. Almost. Hey.
Look at that. Coilovers on.
Front suspension on. Brakes. Getting there.
Going on. Oh, and they're black. Okay. I feel it.
Ed,
I'll fill it.
explain to them why you get the black ones.
Oh,
Does it
man.
look better?
Yeah, but why though?
He's like, what?
Because when the brake pads and wear this down to the metal, the hats and everything are still black, and it looks instead
and
of
then like sometimes the brakes don't wear all the way out to the edge of the rotor, so that's nice and black too.
Oh, shoot.
it looks good.
Shoot.
I like it. Ask Josh what he's working on.
It's fun. Boy, do some work, man.
No, because we've been busy working, but Tevin's been working today. Like,
Oh,
back in
yeah.
the shop.
Oh,
He
thanks,
was
man.
putting seats together.
Kevin has actually done work.
You helped put the drive shaft up, right?
Oh, you guys suck.
Yeah. Come on back here with the man.
I don't mind it for real. I get to stretch my little legs, you know what I'm saying? I got this seat done. Basically got the rail put on the bottom of here. It was a pain in the butt, but I did it. So it's a pretty successful day. Things are going pretty well, pretty smooth.
And freshly polished bolts, though.
Oh yeah, did you polish your nuts too?
Yeah, Josh has been teaching me the polishing of my nuts ways. He's been giving me some hands-on experience on polishing my nuts
Hands on.
and my bolts.
Well, look how nice they look, man. Look, that's all nice and polished up.
Shiny.
Woo-hoo.
All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please like, share, and comment down below. Any questions, concerns, anything you want to know, let us know down below. We just hit our big major mark, 3,000 subs. Thank you guys so much. Tell everybody about us. If you're around local, even if you're not local, come visit the shop. That's it for today's episode, guys. Peace out.